Okay, next up, so there it is along with the music. What we have here is a stretch similar to what we saw in the verse. It all starts on the 8th fret, power chord shape like this. Then we're going to stretch our pinky up to the 12th fret on the 5th string. And then stretch it up one more to the 13th fret, also on the 5th string. So we have this. And next we have this little segment here. I like to use my first finger and pinky for that, just because they tend to be in proximity to one another when you make that little switch of the wrist here. And the notes I'm hitting here are the 8th fret on the 3rd string and the 10th fret on the 2nd string. Just picking those two strings. Next from there we have, which we use our 2nd finger on the 8th fret of the 5th string and our 3rd finger on the 8th fret of the 3rd string, and we're going to mute the 4th string with the edge of our 2nd finger, so the chord sounds like this. Next we pull off our 3rd finger, and our 1st finger is going to be here on the 7th fret on the 3rd string. We end up with a chord like that. So we have this, 3rd, no 3rd, and then we go back to the 3rd, and then back to this chord here. So that whole little section. Put it together. And we have our chorus. And by the way, this is an adaptation for one guitar. There's actually two guitars going at the same time. What I've done here is isolate the lead parts and put them together so it sounds like both guitars if you're playing it with just one guitar. There we go. Let's move along and hit one of those solos.